I'm Sharon Vindrine, and I am the founder of Parent Tested, Parent Approved, and I am thrilled to have the opportunity to introduce you to some of our award-winning products. This is an adorable lunch solution for your little ones. It's the Bentgo Kids Bento Lunchbox. It is leak-proof, it has 5 compartments, and it has rubberized edges, making it more forgiving to drops. It has space for the ideal portion sizes for ages 3 to 7. It's made of BPA-free and non-toxic materials. It has locking clips to ensure it stays closed. And best of all, my favorite thing as a mom, is that it makes for easy cleaning because you simply remove the tray and throw it in the dishwasher. It's available in a ton of different colors, patterns, and prints. It is truly a fantastic lunch solution that your kids are going to love. For more information on this product and to find out about other award-winning products, visit ptpa.com and be sure to sign up as a parent tester to have the opportunity to test products like these.